Namaste, welcome to Geeta's Kitchen. Today we are going to have everyone's favorite pizza, but we are going to make bread pizza on the Tava at home, and it will be a lovely treat for your children. You can have it at any time. Let's see how to make the ingredients. Here I have taken bread slices. Today I have multi-grain bread. You can take any bread of your choice. I have taken about 6 slices of bread. Apart from that, you need some firm ripe red tomatoes, salt, sugar, chili powder. This is oregano, some olives, chopped onions, chopped capsicum. These are chili flakes, grated mozzarella cheese and butter. So for making the bread pizza, first thing we need to make the pizza sauce. That also we can make very simply at home. What we need to do is, I have kept some water for boiling in a pan. Now these tomatoes you take like this and make an X or plus like cut over here, and then drop the tomatoes into the boiling water. Just cook them till they are soft and you are able to peel the skin. The tomatoes are cooked for about 10 minutes. I have removed the peel, and now we are going to grind these tomatoes in your mixer jar to make a puree. Don't need to make a very fine puree, slightly coarse puree is also okay. I have taken 1 teaspoon of oil in a pan. This is some garlic which I chopped finely. I forgot to mention it with the ingredients earlier. Finely chopped garlic. Saute them. Next, add in the tomato puree. If you have a small bits of tomato here and there, it doesn't matter. The sauce tastes better that way. Now to the sauce, let us add the other ingredients. First we'll add some salt to taste, a little bit of chili powder, some sugar, about half a teaspoon of sugar, some oregano, and allow it all to come to a boil and thicken. This will just take a couple of minutes. See, the pizza sauce has been boiling and it has thickened well. Switch it off, remove it and allow it to cool. Transfer into another container. Our sauce is ready. Now we can start making the bread pizzas on the tawa. Take a little bit of butter on a tawa and place 2 slices of bread on it. Now to lightly roast on one side and flip it over. Reduce the flame. First, spread the homemade pizza sauce on top. Next, arrange the chopped vegetables. Today I am using capsicum and onions. You can use tomatoes also if you like, but since I have got some pieces of tomatoes in the sauce, I didn't add. You can add some corn, boiled corn, and I have some olives here. I have removed the seeds, so I am going to add the olives too. As I say every time, try to make it at home with whatever available ingredients and as near as possible to the original taste. These are chili flakes. Chili flakes, generally when you order some pizzas from outside, they give you a small sachet of chili flakes. It's very easy to make at home. You just take your dry red chilies and pulse them in a dry grinder, and you will get these chilli flakes. You can just put a few on top if you like, and then top them with a generous sprinkling of this mozzarella cheese, grated cheese. Next, cover it with a lid and allow it to cook till the cheese melts. That will just take a couple of minutes. See, now the cheese has melted nicely, and always work on a low flame. Carefully take it out onto a plate. Similarly, you can do with the remaining slices of bread also. It's a lovely treat for a whole family. You can enjoy it anytime as breakfast or as an evening snack after school, dinner time, just anytime. Especially now it is holiday time. Children will love you for this, and adults too. We all love this. One variation I can tell you, if you don't like adding these pieces of capsicum and onions raw, then you can slightly saute them in a little bit of oil and then add. That's also okay. That is entirely left to you. Your yummy, tasty, homemade bread pizza on Tava is ready. If you like, you can sprinkle some chili flakes on this, and also a little more of oregano if you like. And they are ready to serve. So do try out this recipe. Enjoy it with your family and friends, and tap the bell icon for notification about my new recipes. Please come back to Geeta's Kitchen. Thank you.